today what I'd like to share with you is twofold, two things. Number one is some sort of ideas about negotiating paradigms, and then take a little bit of a deep dive into a book called Getting to Yes, which teaches what we call principled negotiation. I'll say a little bit more about that towards the end, right? So here's what I would like to suggest to you as a way to think about what negotiating is, all right? It is the process of getting the other party to give you what you want, which is fine, I think most people agree with this, by giving them what they want. Right? And within this definition is the notion that actually there is a cooperative, collaborative venture. It is two-way. So they focus on 4 principles. I'll take you through it one at a time, right? The first principle is actually focus on interest, right? And so one of the key questions then we could ask ourselves is actually what are interests, right? Fundamentally put, there is a difference between what you say you want, we call these positions, and actually what you need or are really concerned about. Finally, the 4 principles. The 4th principle is called separate the people from the problem. Separate the people from the problem, right? Now, a lot of people read the book and they say, hey, wow, that actually means that we don't deal with the people, we just deal with the problem. That's not true. Actually, what the book is saying is you deal with the problem and you deal with the people separately. You don't let people hold the relationship hostage to gain something for the substance, right? So essentially, the focus for separate the people from the problem is the idea that you build relationships and you enhance communication. That's your focus, right? And you must understand that dealing with people takes a particular skill. Okay, so just some summary and takeaways before we go to questions. Negotiation requires a mindset of collaboration. Thank you, Vivian, for confirming that you're coming. I appreciate it. And to learn to elicit interest from positions, to create mutually beneficial solutions, to commit to fair and legitimate solutions, and to deal with the people puzzle.